How to make only your contacts can see your status on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only your contacts can see your status on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and let's go back first, and here you will find these 3 points in the top. Click on it and then just click settings and then click account, and now select privacy, and here you will find this one, status. Click on it. Now just select my contacts and click done. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.